This is a quick video review for this 24-inch crimping tool from VEVOR. This thing is kind of a monster. Believe it or not, there's actually one that's a little bit larger. It's 30 inches. This one at the 24-inch has a 37-inch range when it's fully extended. Each one of these arms is about 18 inches long. It's got a lot of pressure to crimp. This crimping tool is designed for cables, thick deck railing and things like that, or fencing if you're going to use those crimps that go over a cable. There's 5 different sizes here based on the size of the crimping fastener you're using for crimping your cables. Well, there are 5 different options here. They're labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, depending on the size cable and cable fasteners you're using. They are 1/16, 3/32, 1/8, 5/32, and 3/16. One of the features of this that I didn't realize I had when I bought it, it's actually got 2 cutoffs, one on each side, so you don't even have to flip this thing when you're cutting cables. They're exactly the same size. They will cut a couple different sizes of cable, whatever you're using in your project. Overall, this thing is really heavy duty. It's got a nice coating on it. The handles are plastic. It's got holes on each handle so that you can hang it up inside of your workshop. It's got a lock washer on it, holding it together. It's got this coating on it that is meant to last. If you're looking for a crimper for doing a cabling project, this one is pretty good. This is a great tool.